Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a video talking about and showing you everything I do to prep before, or everything I did to prepare for this vacation that I just went to. But also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell for notifications of when I post. I post weekly videos. And my next video that I'm planning is the outfits that I wore for this vacation, including a Zara haul. So subscribe so you don't miss out. So last week I did go on vacation to a tropical island, and yeah, so I went for a week for my birthday and that was a lot of fun. And I went to Puerto Rico for a week and I stayed in 2 cities, but I definitely needed to get ready for that trip. So first I show you, I cut my own hair because I just felt like my ends needed a little bit of a cut, and instead of going to the salon, I just decided to just do it myself since I have a professional set of hair scissors, and as well as I cut my bangs a little bit. Also, I did my nails, I did a self tanner as well. So I show you all of the things that I did. So right now, I did already return for my trip. I'm just recording this intro for the videos I already took, but then I didn't have time to finish and edit and post. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm really tan. If you see my back, it's like absolutely tan, but I still did a self tanner before going to the island for sure. Also, 2 things that I did that I didn't show in the video because I was just in a rush was whitening my teeth. So I do use the system and I did it a couple of times before leaving. Another thing I did was use the high frequency wand. And this is just to, after I clean my face, I just put this all over my face. This is specifically to just eliminate any sort of bacteria and just smooth the skin out. So this is how it looks like. You just connect this to the wall. And then this is the frequency wand. When you turn it on, it's a little zappy, so it's not as pleasant. And this kit brought a couple of other little heads here. But yeah, so I like to use the majority of these, and this is the last one. So yeah, so I definitely try to clear out my face as much as I could with this, as well as, you know, just normal skincare cleaning. So yeah, so let's get into all the things that I did to prep. So now I am separating my hair to cut my hair. I previous to this video, I already cut it, but I just wanted to demonstrate how and the method I did to cut my hair in this occasion. So typically what I do is cut the section that I want to cut horizontal, then I will use the pointing technique. After I'm done, I compare each side to see if it's leveled out. And now I am cutting my bands because it was just getting a little too long and I just wanted to cut it. But I also cut it horizontally first, and then I do the pointing technique as well. Now I will blow dry my hair, and typically I just like to section my hair as I'm showing it because to me it's the most effective and fastest method. And I use those little clips, pink clips that I got a while ago in TJ Maxx. I do have a professional blow dryer, and I also have this ceramic brush that I got at Ulta. And I like to rotate the brush, especially at the ends. As you can see, And I always like to blow dry my hair with my ends pointing upwards. And to me, it's just, I love this blowout look, and it's my favorite. I always like to put some argan oil drops at the ends of my hair after I blow dry it. This Moroccan argan oil is just the best. It smells incredibly good, and this is the one that I always use. I also did this total repair mask to my hair, as well as the red can blondage, rid of the brassiness of my hair. And I definitely went to the nail salon to get some acrylic nails, and I was in between white nails or the French style, and my nail expert recommended the French style, and I'm pretty happy with the results. I also went and got a pedicure. I got rid of the red nails and got some white nails, and I was so happy with the results. So I use the St. Moritz for the self tanner, and this is a mousse type of product, and I get the medium. So I put it all over my body with this mitt that is specific for a self tanner. So if you notice, I do not spread the mousse on my hands, so I just leave it in that section, and I just spread it all over my arms. I also do the same thing for my feet. I just don't put the mousse all over my feet, so I exclude my feet and my hands. And I am also really good at applying this mousse all over my body without getting any patches. I know a lot of people complain about patches, but I just don't experience that myself. So yeah, I have at this point applied the mousse all over my body and on my back as well, and my legs and everything. So now I'm applying the mousse all over my face as well with a Real Techniques face brush. And in total, I just leave the mousse overnight, and then I wash it out the next day. I also make sure to cover neck, also my décolleté and my ears as well. Also, I want to show my hands because I don't have any stains doing this process of mousse, so I just wanted to show that because it's possible to do this process without getting stained hands. Alright, so those are all of the things that I did to prep myself before going to the island, including the little haul that I showed about a few toiletries that I needed to go to the island. So I will link that video down below and up here. Also, I wanted to mention that this was super handy. If you didn't see this video that I did about my Amazon stuff that I bought for this trip specifically as well, you should see it. I'll link it over here as well and below, because this was so helpful. Out of all of the things that I bought, you know, I used everything, of course, but this, I was just so grateful for this because it was just a flight with no stop, and it was a direct flight, and so it's like 6 or 7 hours of the plane. So this came in really handy. And if you don't know what this is just a holster for your phone. So you place it on the back of the person in front of you on the seat, and then you just put your phone right here. And you can put it like that, or you can use it like vertically as well if you want, but I was seeing a lot of series and movies, so this just came really handy, and it worked really well. And it doesn't bother the person in front, which is important, especially how sensitive everybody is nowadays. And let me also show you my luggage, because I really liked the luggage organizers, and I will show you in a minute how I organize my luggage. I will actually show a picture here at one of the resorts. I was just so organized, and I just love this system. It really kept me super organized. Like, I had a bag for makeup, I had a bag for toiletries, I had a bag for underwear, I had a bag for swimsuits, a bag for like nightgowns and my go to sleep wear. It was just the best thing I've ever done. I highly recommend it. So I wanted to show you quickly how I organized everything in my carry-on. So I have two little bags there, and then here I have my makeup, which I like because you can just lay it flat and it takes a lot less space. And this is my jewelry pouch, which I showed in my Amazon video. And then here's another pouch, which I have more clothes in there. I feel like this really kept me so organized, because I already knew where everything was. And yeah, I'm just grateful that I just decided to do this. It's such a great idea. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.